Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering credentials and tools. Create or confirm your OpenAI account, enable API access, and copy the API key. This authenticates requests. Next, set up a Google Cloud project, configure OAuth consent, and create OAuth client credentials for the Google APIs you'll call. Install Node.js or Python, and add the Google API client and OpenAI SDK so you can run code locally. Once done, store keys in environment variables or a secure vault to avoid leaking secrets. Now implement the integration flow. Build an OAuth 2.0 redirect that requests the exact Google scopes you need, Drive, Search, or Gmail, so users authorize access. Once you get the authorization code, exchange it for access and refresh tokens, and persist the refresh token for long-term calls. Make Google API requests, parse and sanitize the return data, and construct a concise prompt for Chatgpt. Then send that prompt to OpenAI with tokens and system instructions. Make sure to respect rate limits and paginate large. Finish by wiring the pieces into a user flow. Exchange Google consent for usable tokens, fetch or stream Google data, and present Chatgpt responses to the user. Test end-to-end with different accounts. Validate token refresh, permission scopes, and that outputs respect privacy rules. Add logging, retry logic, and exponential backoff for API errors. If something breaks, first check OAuth scopes and token expiry, then quotas and CORS rules. Make sure credentials are in the right environment and retry after fixing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.